Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix MFPlat.DLL not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate at the start icon. Please do a right click and then here you need to scroll up and go with settings. So just have to wait until a new window, which is the settings itself, will appear. You can also press Windows key and I key together so that you would be able to access the settings. Okay. So here, you need to proceed directly to the left side of it and go with System. Click on it. And here, you need to scroll down and look for an option called Optional Features. Okay. So you can see it here next to System Components. Click on it. Okay, so once you are here at the optional features section, you need to use this search icon to search added features. Where here you need to type for media, feature, space pack. Okay, so here it will show you a result, which is the media feature pack itself. Just have to click on it and install such. Okay. But in case you don't have, this will appear no features found. Double check your search criteria. Just have to close this window. Okay. And proceed to your Google Chrome browser. Just have to bring it up, double tap to open. Okay, so once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to type for this mfplot.dll. Okay, just type it here and proceed to the search bar and type it. Once you have typed it, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay, so you can see here a very first option which is mfplot.dll free download. Click on it. Okay, and you need to scroll down and look for an option where you can download. Now, before proceeding such, you need to identify first what system type do you have in your Windows. Either you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit. How you can check? Using the button search bar, you need to type for info. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match will appear. Okay, so you would be able to see a best match which is system information. For here, you need to go with open to continue. Click on it and wait until a new window will appear which is the system information itself. Here, you need to go with system type and there you would be able to identify what system type do you have. Either you have an X64 like mine or you have an X32. Once you have identified it, select the link based on the architecture type here. So if you have a 32-bit, go with this. Click on download. And if you have a 64-bit, go with the second and click on download. Just have to download a zip file and there you have that. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.